Hello everyone, good evening. It's today's Sunday and it's almost 9 o'clock. You must be enjoying or partying or maybe sitting in the home. So just I when I just I sat before 10 15 minutes, just a thought triggered to me in my mind. Just I wanted to come online and share with you amazing peoples. So we all know that a apple a day keeps doctor away. This we all know, but no one will follow. The most of the people will not follow. I can say 20% of people might follow. But I have here something else. So a tablet a day, the our good health keeps far away. So I'll repeat, a tablet a day, our good health keeps far away. Think of that. Headache, we will take tablet. Cold, we will take tablet. Or body pain, we will take a tablet. And whatever else is coming, we will take a tablet. So think of that. So one tablet will keep our health one day away. So per day we are taking so many tablets. We don't acidity, take a tablet. Not getting the motion, take a tablet. So I'm not against the tablet. We have to take, but it should not be our habit taking the tablet. So what we can do is a tiny life changes, a tiny habit every day. So if we follow small habit every day, so we can overcome the most of the diseases. It may be headache, it may be stress or something. There is a book called Atomic Habit. I read in that book. So a very small minute changes, one minute thing is that just from my home to I'm going to shop. If you go to by walk instead of going by vehicle, so we will get rid of at least some amount of some stress, because walking and watching outside people and relaxing will give us a the relaxed mindset and relaxed body. So instead of we becoming the slaves of medicine, it's better we have to take the tiny or atomic steps to increase our health. So here Paul D'Souza is watching live. Hi Paul, thank you for watching a live video, and he's waving hand. Hi Paul. So if you can speak, I think we can speak for a minute. If you are watching live, if you are there, you can come up in the camera or voice. So that's all I wanted to give the message for the day, and it's not a tip or something. This is message. I think if we follow this, we will live our better life. So this is Inayat, and thank you. Good night. Love you. Bye bye. See you soon.